Greetings, fellow traders. Bowen here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Friday, July the 2nd, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we left off in the market here today. So SPX up 32 points, green on the monthly chart. What a weekly chart. What a great follow through. It was so choppy all week, and then today just was really beautiful. Fresh all-time highs. Look at that. Beautiful candles right there as we continue to plow our way up. And I mean, I don't know how much more bullish we could get. We had an impulsive channel up, and we broke the impulsive channel to the upside. So we'll see. We'll see how well this goes. There still could be an ABC correction in the future, but in the meantime, let's have a good 3-day weekend, right? So let's take a look at the SPY and see what kind of volume came in here today. So let's see, not too bad, right? So they ended up coming in, towards the end of the day, and just a really good push today, guys. I think we had just fresh flows coming in, guys. Fresh quarter here, fresh month, and there's really no reason to be super bearish other than we're just at the highs, getting kind of toppy. But institutions, just put the money back in, right? It's still going, so until proven otherwise, right? So cool stuff there. We'll be reviewing more of that in the newsletter this weekend. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. See how our levels played out today. Our game plan was good. We're like, hey, if we break over the highs on the right, look for more highs, right? So it just kind of is what it is. Got really, really tight here today, and then we broke out and gave us a good opportunity on the long side that we pointed out in the group today. We can kind of just track. I mean, this thing is just. We'll see what they set up for us Sunday. I mean, at this point now, we'll see if they bounce. They push it down a little bit after hours right here. So let's see how that holds going into Sunday night. Oh, I'm sorry, Monday night. Goodness gracious. Well, no, Sunday will be a session. There'll be an abbreviated session, but we're not going to go live on Sunday night. So. Cool stuff there. Let's see what the Qs. The Qs ended up rallying here into the end of the day. So thanks to the big names on the Qs like Microsoft, Apple, all those good ones right there. IWM was the weakest link here today. Looks kind of like a bear flag going into next week. XLF, which is kind of some choppy, sloppy type stuff here today. And the VIX actually climbed all day even when the market was going up, but it tends to do that when we're at all-time highs because it's like, we're going to sell off, right? That type of thing. So some good stuff there. Apple. Really nice grinder today. Apple's one of the stronger names at the open and just got some continued follow through today. Tesla. So Tesla ended up rejecting a couple of these levels right here, unfortunately. It is looking like on the daily chart, still kind of tight right here. We'll talk about this on Monday. I still think this is a potential wave 4 triangle right here. It just never confirmed right above it. Started to push today, but just never confirmed, right? So came back in that range. So Tesla still has an opportunity, but I guess their car melting down didn't really help things today. So we got that going on. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I don't think they've made a statement yet, so we'll see what they've got to do. Bitcoin below the 80 MA, so a little bit of caution here over the weekend. Oracle, guys, from the live stream last night. Beautiful breakout candle yesterday out of the range and over the 50-day moving average with increased volume and filled the gap. So really cool stuff there. BABA, bearish candle from yesterday. Again, KWeb was pretty weak, and that got a nice gap down here too for BABA. We'll see if that turns into a retrace. Microsoft, guys, just epic, right? Rebuilding the empire right there. So, I mean, just fresh all-time highs. This thing looks like, I don't know, like a FANG name or something like that, right? So, but on the other hand, IBM got hit with the Death Star today, so you'll see it's fully operational battle station. Anyway, so looks like kind of like a head and shoulders breakdown right there, right? So kind of sideways type breakdown. So pretty interesting there on IBM. Kind of the inverse of Oracle there. Amazon, beautiful candle today, guys. Definitely worked its way up. So we'll go with a potential larger cup and handle here right now. So we'll see how that goes the next week if they want to push that thing to all-time highs. And keep in mind, too, right, some bullishness, too, that Jeff Bezos stepping down, that they could actually do a stock split once Jazzy Jeff takes the helm. And last, just want to point out Snap. Keep an eye on this one. It's getting really tight here inside day over the 80 MA. So if the social media names stay strong going into Monday, Snap might be ready to snap, crackle, and pop. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, guys, good stuff. Really appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll see you guys on Monday on the Elliott Wave Show. And until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.